Video is about troubleshooting of rocking problem as well as multi-unit problem in DO implants. DO implant multi-unit fitting. If anyone is facing DO implant multi-unit fitting problem, so first of all, make sure all of your multi-unit angle is parallel. DO implant में there is one problem with DO implant. It doesn't give you more than 30-degree angulated multi-unit. Okay, so like this in case it is not on proper lingual, it is buccal side. Sometimes you get weird cases where even if after putting 30-degree multi-unit, it is from the buccal side. So at that point, make sure if you don't have DO40 5-unit for one or two those implant, you use Ostium multi-unit 45 degree. Okay, Ostium company provides it 45 degree multi-unit. You can ask RR Dental Lab, they might be having. If they're not having, order it from Ostium 45 degree multi-unit. Okay, and after that, one more thing we have to do. Still, if you are facing any problem, so DO multi-unit is engaging, matlab it's a hex connection and on which your non-hex will sit. Okay, so unlike any other, matlab all other system, even if Ostium straight has a hex, but it is very small. Okay, so many a time it happens like fitting won't happen properly because it is engaging to non-engaging connection. Okay, non-engaging to non-engaging in other multi-units or any company multi-unit will happen very perfectly, वो एकदम perfectly हो जाएगा. But यहाँ पे उसका multi-unit जो है engaging है. So because of that engaging multi-unit, that fitting is not proper. So यहाँ पे दो trouble shooting रहती है. First troubleshooting is that you can widen this up. आप एरोटर लेके ये कनेक्शन आप इसको वाइड कर सकते हो. ओके, इसको वाइड कर सकते हो. हमने ये थोड़ा मोटा दिया है सो दैट आपका वाइड होगा तो भी काम चल जाएगा. सेकेंड चीज व्हाट यू कैन डू, you can remove the hex out of that multi-unit connection. You don't need it. You can trim a little bit. You will get proper passivity. अगर आपका you have to make sure you sit the processes. You see if there is rocking somewhere on that multi-unit. You have to on that multi-unit just round up that hex portion of your angulated multi-unit and it will be set. Straight multi-unit. Don't remove hex from straight multi-unit. Don't remove hex from straight multi-unit. You should only do this for angulated multi-unit. Okay, thank you. Troubleshooting, chair side troubleshooting of rocking of full mouth implant framework. Okay, so many a time it happens like we cannot give very parallel processes, very parallel multi-units. Okay, make sure use a company which will provide you 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 so that you can get maximum parallelism in your implant as well as आप बकल के साइड में भी जाएगा तो आप प्रॉपर उसको लिंगुअल पे ला सकते हो. तो मेक श्योर यू पुट अ मल्टी यूनिट सो दैट योर उसका जो एंगुलेशन रहेगा वो लिंगुअल साइड पे रहेगा. जैसे मैंडिबुलर एंटीरियर में 80% लोग क्या करते हैं, स्ट्रेट मल्टी यूनिट डालते हैं. स्ट्रेट मल्टी यूनिट पे क्या होता है, बहुत बार इंसाइजर एज पे आपका ओपनिंग आता है. तो ऐसा नो को करो. You put 17 degree multi-unit in that mandibular anterior so that your opening will go into cingulum side. Okay. After that, after placing all the multi-unit, make sure your multi-units are parallel. And if any case you cannot provide proper parallel multi-unit and you have a little bit rocking problem, okay. So what will happen? जिस पे जो भी multi-unit पे rocking है, वहाँ पे आपको जंक्शन दिखेगा ऐसा. एंड जंक्शन दिखने के बाद आप इधर से जैसे रॉकिंग हो रही है वो प्रोफाइल को होल में नहीं, ये प्रोफाइल को multi-unit प्रोफाइल को this profile you will trim. Okay, this profile you will trim. You widen it little bit with your burr and your rocking will go away. This is troubleshooting for multi-unit level rocking. पैसिवली नहीं जा रहा है तो आपको स्क्रू चैनल जो है, स्क्रू चैनल एरोटर से साइड में जो इसके अटैचमेंट जो रहेंगे, इधर कुछ कचरा फंसा रहेगा तो आपको एरोटर से निकाल देना है एक बार. आपको थ्रू एंड थ्रू नहीं जाना है, थ्रू एंड थ्रू नहीं जाना है, आपको सिर्फ चैनल क्लीन करना है. ठीक है, दिस इज स्क्रू चैनल ट्रबल शूटिंग, स्क्रू चैनल स्क्रू फिटिंग ट्रबल शूटिंग. ओके.